Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Thank you
very much.
Well, Luke Wright is back, and back with another episode that nobody ever bloody watches. But Luke Wright still likes to be creative, so still makes his videos where he can, even though hardly anyone, if anyone, even watches them. What you are going to see today is the chain cleaning on the Ducati Monster S2R 1000 Super Naked. Let's see what it's like cleaning the chain on an S2R 1000 Super Naked. Yeah.
It's showtime.
Guess what, everybody at Luke Wright? You're gonna learn how to clean a chain on Ducati. Okay. I know it's very exciting, isn't it? The S2R 1000 Super Naked. The chain is grimy. It's really, really grimy. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna start on the sides first. You're just gonna keep scrubbing and scrubbing. And there's a lot of scrubbing, isn't there? It's very exciting, isn't it? Seeing all the scrubbing. It's like, oh my god, it's so scrubby. Yeah. When you're cleaning the chain, oh my god, it's literally not even black, it's muddy colour coming off. Muddy colour. That's terrible. Got to scrub. Whoa! Just keep on scrubbing. And once you're happy, you're going to move to the back of the chain. Once you've gotten this far, you're going to move on and start attacking the back of the chain. And it is just absolute blackness. Absolute blackness coming off this chain. You're going to start attacking between the bushes. When Luke Cry says between the bushes, he means take this and just start attacking between the plates. Where you can just about see the bushings and just scrub. But you're going to be very tired after this because you do use up a lot of energy. This does take a lot of energy. Notice that Luke Cry is wearing gloves. The gloves are a good idea, protect your skin. But also wearing a standard t-shirt. Actually quite a nice quality t-shirt because it's actually Spanish of some kind. But, you know, not wearing anything nice, because when you're cleaning a chain, all of the grubbiness gets splashed around, you know, gets spattered on you. And if you do that, and you have all your nice clothes are going to get paraffin all over you, black dots. Like Luke Wright is getting right now, he's getting black dots all over himself. So, yeah, it's not. Got to keep attacking the chain. This S2R 1000 has spent her life, well, spent her life with so quite a lot. Still absolutely black, the chain. Still absolutely black. Literally just gonna have to keep scrubbing it. The writer said make yourself a cup of coffee, but if you did that, probably just get the splatter of paraffin coffee, so don't do that. Do that another day. Oh my god, it's still coming up black. Oh my god. It's still coming up black. It's only now starting to actually see a bit of change. This is just absolutely caked. I wonder what sort of life this S2R Super Naked had. That, you know, explains why the chain is like this. It's just disgusting. It's really odd, isn't it? Really odd. Because it's absolutely filthy. You know, even if you can, just try to get inside the carrier, even just to try and scrub that piece, because even the carrier's black. Don't you think that's a bit odd? This chain has not been cleaned ever. You know, for absolute years. This Super Naked did a lot of miles. It looks like we've got a standard chain. This does not look like it's a well, it's certainly not gold. Not seeing any markings that this is a DID chain. Like any markings at all, it doesn't seem to be DID. Oh, let's just see if we can actually see a sprocket. Not seeing one. It's just disgusting back here. There's still no markings that this is a DID chain. So, I don't know, whoever previously owned this S2R 1000 Super Naked did not treat the Super Naked to a gorgeous chain as profits. They either bought a mediocre chain or they just cheaped out. No, there's no way this could be the original factory Ducati chain, because one, it would have rusted out by now, and two, it would be so stretched, it would be unusable. We tried to them a train that lasts any more than 15,000 miles. You know, even with the best of chains, they just start to deteriorate at that point. And I think being a super naked with all this torque and all this power, it does beat the chain a lot. It beats it down. That's why chains on super bikes and super nakeds will never last as long as normal naked bike, because it's yeah, even the rear sprocket doesn't look like it's actually anything very nice at all. That's Ducati. Seen some miles. Interesting. Okay, this really is a DID chain. Interesting. Gotta keep scrubbing. This chain is going to need another scrubbing another day, but at least you can actually start seeing that there's chain. So just to show you, that's way better compared to what it used to be. What you're going to do now is you're going to you're going to douse the chain in water to get rid of all the residue and all the crap, and then leave the chain to dry while you're cleaning any other part of the super naked. Make sure you remove things like towels from the equation that you are sitting on as you've been cleaning the chain, because you don't want to get your towel all wet. What you're going to do is just like this, just to help get rid of all the residue and chain, like paraffin you can sponge. Just like that. Now you're just going to leave the chain to drip dry and either come back to scrubbing the chain again tomorrow. This chain is still quite dirty, so we are going to come back to this tomorrow. fairly long chain. Yeah, there was a lot of scrubbing. The chain was in a really bad state. Super dirty, hasn't been cleaned in a very long time. Damn, it took a lot of scrubbing. That took 2 attempts, that took 2 attacks on the chain just to start getting it half decent cleaned, and then to find that the chain is actually, which is really cool and actually pretty surprising really, it's not going to be the original factory Ducati chain. In a way that would have lasted 28,000 miles. But no, Luke Wright's actually found out underneath it's quality DID, which is quite a premium brand, high quality chains and sprockets.
Nice.
Yeah, DID chain sprockets, made in Japan, and the gold version as well. So gold plates. Oh, that is a gorgeous chain. That's really pretty. You've got to have a gold plated chain on a super bike or super naked. It's just, you have to. It's the law. It's the law of the motorcycle world. That's it. It's the law. Deal with it. You have to. You have to. You really do. But we got there. So Luke Wright's got plenty of splatter from the kerosene, but now the chain is looking, considering the way it was, way better, and you can actually see the gold plates. Looks so good. Brilliant. Thanks for watching.
The way we.
The little rascal has spirit. As water.
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.
Luke Wright this time does have the coffee. Is he going to drink it? Yeah, drinking it, y'all.